Hi guys, I'm Miss Hannah from the Manhattan, Kansas Public Library. Welcome to the I Survived Party. The I Survived series by Lauren Tarshis is a series of adventures that take place during infamous disasters, and each book is told from the perspective of a kid probably around your age. The books are both scary and exciting. Scary because this stuff really happened and should be taken seriously, but exciting because of the energy you feel in your body, like your survival instincts are kicking in too. I love books with suspense. I chose 3 of the books in the series to read today. I will begin by reading the first chapter of the book, then I will read some interesting facts from a nonfiction book that goes with it, and then you can look at the PDF that will be linked in the video description, which has a craft and a science experiment idea that goes with it. The first book I'm going to read is The Destruction of Pompeii, AD 79.